ng tickets. Bago pala tayo dito eh.
Oo. Dito sana, New Jersey, no? Malaki. New Jersey, New York, no? Yung gitna.
Sabi na, hindi ko nagtagal na tayo dito naman isang taon, kadalawa taon, napanood na natin yan.
Kaya New Jersey tsaka New York ang malapit. Yung court yan na football.
Kung may pera ka naman
Kahit yung mga ano lang season, no? Season game. Mahal kasi yan, yung finals na ganyan ng mahal.
Radio Sunil.
Oo. Yung seasonal daw, 1-2. Season pa lang, 1-2 na. Ano, 1-2.
Yung day finals, ang mahal din nakaraan.
Pag season, $75 sa taas. Pwede na yun.
Okay, no?
Para experience lang.
That's the hard part. That's the heart of your field right there in the middle. Center back position. It's a big
Abu Dhabi ko, layo
area of
ko
the
sa
field in which you really like partnerships that work well together. They complement each other. So another reason that Argentina
kahit dito sa ano ba papagili ka naman yung
experienced player he just hasn't played a lot with Romero. So the two of them in this tournament specifically,
Isang goal.
he get into the flow of the game. He's going to try to stick and tackle it early. You see, he was a little goal scorer.
Grabe, depende sa Spain, no? Takbuhan talaga sila palagi.
It was a 6-1 win for Spain.
Yung ba yan, no?
Yung Banyamo.
In the house.
Wala na yung France, talo na. France yan ah. Laglag na si Mbappe.
Gusto ko golden boot si Mbappe. Laglag mo ay Messi.
Kaya nga, nangulelat ang France ngayon.
4 minutes to come at the end of this first half. Martinez long bully, and Alvarez going to chase it down. And Simone able to clear outside his box and just ran away from Alvarez there. Had a step on the defenders. They timed that perfectly. Actually, under some pressure from Messi. Simone able to clear. Ultimately, first action.
Oo, para malayo sa atake. Kailangan sipahin mong lumipat sa kabila.
Lost the battle on the war. Correa goes long. Bad play. Should have changed there. DePaul right back under control. Coutinho Montiel. Early ball was under him for Messi. Pressure from DePaul. Montiel couldn't chase it down. He was offside. Simone got to get him. Tough moment right now for Lisandro Martinez as he will watch the rest of this game from the bench. It's an interesting final in the sense that it's tight, which is not unexpected. Spain have had a lot of the ball, not unexpected. Argentina, tough defensively, not unexpected. I still just think they're going to want to have a little bit more of that ball as the game goes on. They need to be a little bit more connected in their press. But if they get into halftime at 0-0, it's still very much anybody's game. And both teams have a lot of players off the bench that can make a big difference in the second half. So you've seen two teams in the first part playing not to really lose, but Spain just very methodical, very surgical in the way they try to break down this Argentine defense. It has opened up in moments, but nothing really clear-cut. So from Argentina's perspective, that's still a little bit of a win, because this is what they would have expected. I just think that you've got to be more dangerous going the other way. Rizaldo couldn't return it. Messi tracking back to defend, took it away as Baena was making the run. And Messi draws the foul. And as you said, he's not going to get involved all game, but he is going to get involved. And when he is, as England found out, as others have found out, that's when things change really quick. Second man ever to play in 3 World Cup finals, the first to start all 3. Cafu of Brazil came off the bench for one of his final appearances. Do you think Messi would love to leave the United States? I should say he's going to stay in the U.S. because he plays in Miami, but he would like to leave the tournament with that goal-scoring record that Kylian Mbappe snatched away from him yesterday in the third-place playoff.
in the first half of the final. As much as Argentina have been the late show at this tournament, Spain have won 2 of their games in the knockout stage. Very late on, Mikel Merino coming off the bench as a sub. Snaps late wins against Portugal and Belgium.
Nahigpit ang depensa, walang score.
Argentina yet to register a shot in this first half. Spain with the best chances to score. Emiliano Martinez with 2 saves in the first half, more than he made in the entire game in the semifinal Wednesday. And that is the first half coming to a close. Rebecca Thierry, Zlatan Alexi on the other side of the break. 45 minutes down, 45 to go.
Halftime.
The World Cup final, no score.
Matagal yan, halftime. Yan na, halftime.
Pag nag-draw,
Mahigpit ang depensa. Draw, ano yan? Free kick.
free kicks naman.
5 free kick.
Jump and grab food. We going to just say it again. Welcome.
Yung
The
number mo,
World
George.
Cup does so many
Yung sa
things.
inyo, number nyo.
It brings the whole world together. It brings every
Baka sa
country
atin lahat yan.
together. And that's something that I'm super passionate about. And something similar about Silver Spring.